Twice a year, New York City serves up a celestial show like no other. Manhattanhenge, when the setting sun aligns perfectly with the east-west grid of Manhattan streets, illuminating the urban canyon with golden light. This rare astronomical event turns the streets of NYC into glowing rivers of fire and light, drawing crowds of photographers, tourists and sunset chasers alike. It's a moment when the natural world meets the man-made in a jaw-dropping, Instagram-worthy fusion, coined by astrophysicist deGrasse Tyson. The term Manhattanhenge nods to Stonehenge, where the sun aligns with the stones on the solstices. In NYC, however, the alignment happens just before and after the summer solstice, around Memorial Day and the MLB All-Star break. Whether you're a local, a tourist, or a dreamer with a camera, Manhattanhenge is a breathtaking reminder that sometimes the universe literally aligns in your favor. Fun fact, the first day usually gives you a half sun on the horizon, while the second day is the full disk moment. Don't blink, don't miss it, and definitely don't forget to hit record.